Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the invoice of your order from Shein app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Shein application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and your password to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can directly start shopping for different items. Now, if you wish to download an invoice from an order that you have made, then you will first need to have received the product already. Once you have received the product, tap on the messages icon at the top left corner from the application homepage and you will see the orders option. Go ahead and tap on it and this page will now show you all of the orders that you have made, including the ones that you have already received as well as the ones that are pending for you to be received. Just tap on the order that you have received for which you wish to download the invoice, and once you open up this order, you will see the download invoice option. You can tap on this option and this will download your invoice in a PDF form to your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download an invoice from the Shein app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.